Let's go. Well, we just got finished riding our bus to Animal Kingdom. And we're walking up to the entrance. Buses look like that.
We're here at Animal Kingdom.
We come into Animal Kingdom. Park opens 9:50. The park opened like 50 minutes ago. There's still a lot of people in line here to get in. Oh look, there's Pandora off in the distance there. The floating island, floating mountains. It looks like a face. Oh, we're walking to our safari, Kilimanjaro safari ride right now. Well, where are we getting to right now?
Going to Pandora.
The world of Avatar?
World of Avatar.
Well,
Flight of Passage.
the rite of passage on Flight of Passage. What'd you think?
Pretty sweet.
Fantastic, although I won't do it again.
Super good. And we're going to begin. Me.
Super good.
Everything is awesome.
I liked it too, but yeah, it was a little much for my tummy.
Sicklings on the.
But I closed my eyes, closed one eye, and it was really cool. I liked it a lot. I would definitely recommend it. Go on it. Did you guys buy your college education?
They've invested in Banshee, what do you call it? Adoption. Banshee adoption. Raise your hand and repeat after me. Ready? By carrying my Banshee, I promise to both respect and protect the natural world here on Pandora and back home on Earth. And as you go out and meet other Banshee trainers, there's a way we greet one another. You put your hand to your head and you do this and you say, Welnate Kamea. Want to try that? Welnate Kamea. That means I see you in Navi. Not I'm looking at you, but I see what a good person you are. Okay? Congratulations.
Josh is sitting back there by himself. Where is Josh? There he is.
Nice sound. That's a little scary. I'm okay.
Look at all the parks over there. It's a pretty cool view up here.
Yeah, it's nice.
Uh-oh! The track's down! What happened? Oh no! Put your hands up! Hands up! It's the drop! What'd you think? Did you guys like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, was it fun? You liked it?
Let's roll. Let's go get that dino. Just a
Maestro, if you please. Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata. Ain't no passing craze. Hey, Hobo, what are you doing over there? I'm in the warthog section. Besides, my little legs can't make it down off this float. Oh, gee, that's too bad.
All right, so what you got here, Luke?
A banshee from the Pandora movie, Avatar.
Okay, so open it up and see what you got inside. A box.
Looks like it comes together in one piece, no assembling.
Put them right here.
Down right here. Here is the controller. Take the plastic off. Let's see. Let's try this. Nah.
This is not closable.
Let's see.
Look, this doesn't close all the way.
So here's the shoulder rest.
Oh, this is Menace. Menace is on my shoulder. Hey, how's it going? How's it going? Ah! This is my banshee. No, it's not mine. It's Luke's. I just like playing with it because it's fun. Yes. Where's Cookie? Cookie. Cookie. Hey. Hey, there's Cookie.
That's Kaylee's.
Cookie.
They're pretty cool. Luke's having a hard time keeping it on his shoulder, so gotta kind of figure it out. Whoa, Cookie coming in!
This is so funny.
All right, so we are staying at the Port Orleans French Quarter. I'm going to show you a tour of our room. We are in building 1, and we do not have a view. We just have a view of the parking lot. We're on the 3rd floor. All right, let's go inside. All right, but first I'll have to show you our decorations on our room window. So you can't really see it from a distance here. So we cut out these little Mickeys on the Cricut. They're just vinyl, so they stick to the window. And then I got these little stockings at the 99-cent store with the little hooks. And the lights are hooked up there too, like that. Those are really convenient. I got those little hooks at Dollar Tree, so those help hold the lights up perfectly. And then I just got these little white snowflakes at 99-cent store. There's foam. There's another stocking. And then we just got the red and white lights at Target. Staying in 1313. Watch out for that number. Someone behind the curtain. Who's the man behind the curtain? Oh.
Hello.
All right, so we came in today, and in our room, the mouse keeps. Sorry, I'm losing my voice today. Mousekeeping has been doing every day with our animals something really cute and clever for our kids. So it's kind of fun. So today we come in and Stitch was upside down in the pillows. It was pretty funny. The kids thought that was awesome. Yesterday, he or she, I don't know who it is, made this hammock. My daughter is obsessed with dogs. Obviously everything in here is a dog except this guy. He's a dinosaur. I don't know, random, but. And then my little Mickey's over there. And then I guess these guys are watching up there. So it's pretty funny. This little guy, this is my son's, but everything else is my daughter's. Alright, so I'm just going to show you kind of how our room is. So we have snacks up here, and we have Tim Trekker on the screen. Pause from YouTube. Go check them out if you want. We follow them on YouTube. They're really fun. They live here in Florida, and they do lots of videos on Walt Disney World parks. Anything else over here? We have banshees down here. So we have organized, I have like husband stuff in this drawer, kids in this drawer, and then myself in the bottom drawer. We have a refrigerator in here. We just have pretty much milk and waters in here. But it actually keeps it fairly cool, I thought. Don't you think? If it keeps it cool, yeah. So then I kind of just put like dirty clothes besides socks and underwear, and they're not in here, but like clothes that we haven't, like we've worn for the week that are dirty and we're not going to re-wear. Then hats up here, Mickey ears, and then all the jackets hang here. They actually have a lot of storage, I feel like, in this room for being such a small room, so it's kind of nice. You go in here and this is the sink area. So I bought that little laundry basket here for $1 at Dollar Tree, and we've just been sticking our underwear and socks in there. So obviously those have a spot to go and they're not scattered all over the room because socks and underwear are small. Shoes, I have everybody putting shoes here because I don't want them all over the room. Then underneath, I've just been keeping like extra stuff, like I keep my underwear and like my bras and sports bras under there so I can change behind the curtain since there's not a lot of privacy in here with my 2 kids. So I have my essentials under there. And I buy this. Soap, because I hate washing my hands with little bars of soap. So if you want, just get the cheap, you know, hand soap. It foams up. It's easier for the kids to use. Wash the hands. Love it. Here's the bathroom. Nothing too exciting. And I always hate when you like stink up a bathroom because everybody does, because everyone poops. But I bought a little Lysol before I came because it helps. There is a fan in here, but still. And then just all our little toiletry stuff. And that's pretty much it. And you can close this all the way up. And then no one can see me. Obviously saw David behind the curtain. The man behind the curtain. Then there's a little safe right there. And I have my mousekeeping money in there and extra gift cards. And I think that's about it. What?
David's little tech tips.
Yeah.
How are we watching YouTube on our TV? Well, we bring our little Roku along. This is a nice, cheap little product here. You can see this TV has the hookups all right here on the front, so we just plug that in, and so we just has a remote, and then we can watch Netflix and Amazon and YouTube and whatever other services you're subscribed to at the hotel. Nice way to relax when you're done. So,
Yeah.
David's little tech tip.
Yes, tech tip, David. All right, and that's a lady walking by our room looking at our decorations because they're so amazing. All right, see you guys later.
You hear someone talking.
Oh, is that good pizza?
So we're here at Via Napoli in Italy, in Epcot. Walt Disney World, Earth, Milky Way Galaxy, known universe. That's our quattro formaggi with pepperoni.
We had a Caesar salad to start.
And the kids each got a cheese pizza. But she wants some Parmesan, so we'll ask for that.
She likes it. This one's not too sure.